Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Today we will be covering the profitability numbers of my latest payout. So my latest payout was received earlier today. Today being March 7th, 2018. We can go ahead and see that payout here on my Ethermine page. It was received in the early morning Central Standard Time. Again, I have the payout set to the minimum payout threshold of 0.05 Ether. And as we can see here, it took 68 hours exactly, or 68.0, to mine that amount of Ether. For this period, the 68 hours, there was no downtime. As you can see, it actually went down a little bit from the previous payout, but if you did, or rather, in case you didn't watch that video, there was downtime in that previous payout, which is part of the reason why it went down this time. This time there was no downtime. And like always, in case you guys are wondering about my estimated earnings, again, a figure that changes quite often. It's currently at $350 per month. And again, I'm on a 225 megahash per second Ethereum rig. Now, I wanted to talk about this for a minute. This is the lowest I have ever seen it reach. So when I saw that a few minutes ago, when I got home from work, I was a little bit panicked, to be honest. Because I mean, at these numbers, even though I did ride the wave of like a really good mining period from December to like mid-February, this number would still mean I have roughly another year before my equipment pays off. So I'm really hoping that this is temporary. I believe there's some reports out there about the Securities and Exchange Commission regulating something regarding crypto, and I think that might have sent the market crashing today. Let's hope that is the case and that it recovers a little bit in the coming days, because again, this is the lowest I've ever seen it. Again, we're still profitable. We're still more than paying for our electricity. Even if you were in Hawaii, you would still be more than paying for your electricity on a 225 megahash per second rig. But I mean, just barely, you know. So yeah, this number's not great right now. Okay, but let's get back to this most recent payout. So I went ahead and when I received that Ethereum, I went ahead and cashed out after a few hours. And here are what those numbers look like. So this amount here, $39.03 US, that is what was received in my bank account. After fees, after everything. $39.03. I went ahead and estimated my cost of electricity over the 68 hours that it took to mine the 0.05 Ether. And that is roughly $13.06. So when you go ahead and subtract the $13.06 from the $39.03, you get a profit of, after electricity, of $25.97. Then I went ahead and divided that by the roughly 2.8 hours. It's like, to be exact, 68 hours is like 2.83 days. So I divided 25.97 divided by 2.83, and that gave me a profit per day rate of $9.17. Now, that figure I showed you about the estimated earnings over the month, the $350, uh, just a rough estimate off the top of my head, that would probably bring this down to somewhere in the like $6 range, somewhere between $6 to $7 profit per day rate. So we're still more than paying for electricity, but again, at that profitability rate, it would take. I mean, if you're building a rig right now, day one, you'd be looking at like a 2-year ROI, assuming your electricity is in like the 10 to 15 cent per kilowatt hour range. So yeah, just thought I'd throw that in. So those were the results for this latest payout. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm always here and willing to help. See you guys in the next video.